Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to repair a speed control switch for your ceiling fan. For this job, you're going to need a couple different tools. For this job, you will need a pair of wire strippers, electrical tape, wire nuts, and your speed control switch for your ceiling fan. First thing you do is get rid of the old switch. They're too hard just to repair. You want to put a new one in, they're fairly inexpensive. So you cut out the old one, go ahead and strip it down about a ½ inch and take your new one. And what's nice about this one is they're all color coordinated. If you don't have one that's color coordinated, there's numbers on the back and you want to check with your specific instructions to see which wire goes where. So what you'll do is you'll take and you'll match up the colors, put your wire nuts on there, after you get your wire nuts on, you want to rip 4 pieces of tape, 1 for each wire nut. You want to have it about 2 to 3 inches long. And you'll go right over top the bottom half of the wire nut, swing that tape around and kind of pull it tight. That way, through the vibration of the fan, those wire nuts won't fall off and you'll get an arc in there. And then, right here on the speed control switch, there's a cap. Goes right over the chain. Go ahead and take that cap off. Put the chain through the hole on the fan. And then put the cap back over it. Push the threads through the hole and tighten it up. Then put your ceiling fan back up and see how it works. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors. Thanks for watching and good luck with this project.